Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Amazon Prime Video account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Amazon Prime Video account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, guys. And after that, click on the search bar and type in the address Prime Video .com and hit on enter. And after that, it will be directed to the home page of Amazon Prime Video. Now, in order to log into your account, you can see there is the Prime Video member sign in button available at the left side of the screen. Click on that Prime Video member sign in, and then you'll be required to enter your credentials over here where it says the sign in panel. Now, in order to log into your Prime Video account, enter your email address or your phone number with which you have registered an account on the Amazon or the Amazon Prime Video, and after that, enter your password, guys. But if you've forgotten your password, you can always set it from over here where it says forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to achieve or reset your account's password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the sign in button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Prime Video account online on your PC. And with that being said, guys, this is how you log into your Prime Video account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.